This area here, I'm gonna have to flex your neck a little bit.
Okay.
So it'll be a little bit restricted because of the fusion.
Okay.
But we'll do the best we can. Deep breath in, all the way out. Let it relax. Deep breath in here, all the way out.
That popped right when you grabbed it.
Yep.
I felt it. Okay.
Deep breath in, all the way out. Let it relax there. Let it go. Let it go. You feel that one go?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do the big one. Deep breath in, all the way out. Let it go. Let it go. All the way out. Let it lift up here. Let it relax there.